Exercise 5.2. Question 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. एक AP अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन यानी समांतर श्रेणी का 31st टर्म 31वां पद ज्ञात कीजिए जिसका 11वां पद 38 है और 16वां पद 73 है. लेट द फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ द AP इज A and common difference is D. Then nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 11th term is equal to 38. 11th term a11 is equal to a plus 11 minus 1 into d is equal to 38. or a plus 10d is equal to 38, number 1. Similarly, 16th term is 73. A plus 16 minus 1, 15 d is equal to 73. Now subtracting, we can eliminate a. Plus a is minus a, plus a प्लस माइनस, यहाँ भी प्लस का माइनस हो जाएगा, प्लस ए माइनस ए कैंसिल, प्लस 10d माइनस 15d माइनस 5d माइनस 5d इज इक्वल टू 38 माइनस 73. इट विल बी 35 माइनस 35, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, d इज इक्वल टू 35 by 5 is equal to 7. Putting the value of d in equation 1, a plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38, a plus 70 equal to 38, a is equal to 38 minus 70 or a is equal to minus 32. ए और डी के वैल्यू ज्ञात होने पर अब 31st टर्म ज्ञात कर सकते हैं. नाउ 31st टर्म इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस 31 माइनस एन 30 डी. वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज माइनस 32, डी इज 7. minus 32 plus 210 or a 31 is equal to 178. Answer: 31st term of the AP is 178. Question 8. An AP consists of 50 terms of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Let the first term of the AP is A and common difference is D. Nth term An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Third term is 12. a3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 2d is equal to 12. Last term is 106. Last term means 50th term is 106. a plus 50 minus 1 49 d is equal to 106. Subtracting, we get plus के माइनस प्लस के माइनस प्लस के माइनस प्लस से माइनस से कैंसिल माइनस 47D इज इक्वल टू माइनस 94 माइनस माइनस कैंसिल D इज इक्वल टू 94/47 is equal to 2. Putting this value of D in equation 1. A plus 2 into 2 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4. A is equal to 8. Putting the value, finding value of A and D, we can find 29th term. Now 29th term, A29 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 8 and D is 2. N is 29. into 2, 8 plus 56 or 29 is equal to 64. Answer 29th term is 64. Question 9. If the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? एक एपी का समांतर श्रेणी का तीसरा और नौवां पद क्रमशः 4 और -8 है, तो इसका कौन सा पद 0 होगा? लेट फर्स्ट टर्म इज ए एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस इज डी. Then it is given that A3 is 4 and A9 is -8. A3 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is 4. A plus n is 3. 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 4, or A plus 2D is equal to 4, number 1. Similarly, ninth term is -8. A plus 9 minus 1D means 8D is equal to -8. Subtracting, साइन चेंज कर दिया नीचे वाले टर्म का, प्लस का माइनस, प्लस का माइनस, माइनस का प्लस, -6D is equal to plus 8 and plus 4 12, or D is equal to 12 by -6 is equal to -2. Putting the value of D in equation 1. A plus 2 into -2 is equal to 4, or A minus 4 is equal to 4, or A is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. A और D ज्ञात करने के बाद हम कौन सा टर्म 0 है ये ज्ञात कर सकते हैं. लेट nth टर्म इज 0. देन an equal to 0. an means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Putting the value of A and D. A is 8, D is -2. Eight -2n, minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2, -2n is equal to 8 plus 2 10, इधर आकर के -10 हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, n is equal to 10/2 5, Answer. Fifth term is 0.